People with high blood pressure often wonder what they can do to lower their BP without medication. Fortunately, there are a number of ways to control your blood pressure naturally, from eating plans to medications and supplements. In this video, we will explore some of the best foods and eating plan for lowering blood pressure. Since we can't stop aging, the videos on this channel can help us have the best life possible. In today's news update, I want to talk about what the heck is the DASH diet and how does it lower high blood pressure. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text healthy at 60 plus at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. The most effective way of lowering blood pressure is by following a healthy and clean eating plan. Nutrition guidelines show us how we can lower our risk for heart disease, kidney stones, type 2 diabetes, as well as other health issues that may arise if it's not treated correctly. This also includes selecting nutritious food from all 5 color groups, including vegetables and fruits which contain many nutrients such as vitamins A and C, that help prevent certain conditions like asthma or arthritis among others. These types of food should be eaten daily because they have large amounts of minerals, known to naturally balance out the high levels of sodium found in processed snacks like chips or pretzels. The DASH diet. The best overall diet plan to lower blood pressure is the DASH diet. The acronym stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, and it is a low-sodium plan that emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein like fish and poultry, eggs, nuts, seeds and beans. The best foods to eat on the DASH diet that help to lower BP are leafy greens, berries, especially strawberries, apples and pears. A list of the best foods to eat on the DASH diet are leafy greens, berries, especially strawberries, apples and pears. Bananas are also good for lowering blood pressure because they have potassium, which helps to relax the muscles in your body that can cause high BP. Nuts, seeds, beans and lentils, which are high in fiber to help keep your blood sugar levels stable so you don't experience spikes that can cause BP issues. They also contain magnesium, a mineral needed for normal muscle function, as well as potassium. Whole grains, lean protein like fish and poultry. Eggs. Here are a few questions about some DASH diet foods that help lower blood pressure. Is apple cider vinegar good for high blood pressure? Yes, apple cider vinegar is good for high blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar has been claimed to lower blood pressure, especially when taken with a meal. The quantities of cider vinegar that are typically recommended for this are 2 tablespoons before or with each meal. If you want to give this a try, do not take any type of blood pressure medication with it at the same time. You may also find that you have to take more than this amount of cider vinegar to control your blood pressure. For example, you may need 3 tablespoons before each meal for a while before you can cut down to just 2 tablespoons. Do bananas lower blood pressure? A recent study finds that the consumption of bananas and other potassium-rich foods may be a way to reduce blood pressure. The study involved 25 overweight men and women who participated in a diet for 12 weeks. The participants were asked to add 1 serving of any of the following foods daily: a banana, 3 cups of green leafy vegetables, or a 1-ounce cup of guava juice. Their blood pressure was measured at the beginning and end of the study. The results showed that the participants who had a BMI equals to 25 or greater experienced a reduction in systolic blood pressure, SBP, of 9.6 mm Hg and 7.8 mm Hg, respectively. Can drinking water help lower blood pressure? Water helps lower high blood pressure because it helps hydrate the body, and it also helps to flush out toxins. In a recent study, scientists found that drinking just 1 glass of water can lower high blood pressure by up to 14%. Drinking water is great for people with high blood pressure because the kidneys are able to filter more efficiently when they're hydrated, which can help lower BP readings. Is celery good for high blood pressure? Celery is a great way to help lower blood pressure because it is low in sodium and has high water content. It also contains potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure levels, as well as a lot of other vitamins that are essential for good health. Celery can be eaten raw or cooked, but it's best not overcooking because this will destroy the nutrients. A study done at the University of Exeter found out celery lowers high blood pressure in people who suffer from hypertension, and even better, it does so without any side effects. How do leafy greens help to lower blood pressure? Leafy greens are a great way to help lower blood pressure because they contain potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals all work together in the body as vasodilators, which means that they relax your arteries so more oxygen can flow through them, and the minerals in greens work together to do this. As an added bonus, leafy vegetables are also rich in folate, which helps reduce homocysteine levels. In conclusion, we see that the DASH diet is beneficial for people who suffer from high blood pressure. The DASH diet is a low sodium, reduced fat and cholesterol eating plan that can help you maintain your weight while lowering the risk of heart disease or stroke by up to 20%. Okay, that's it for this video. But just one more thing. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text Healthy at 60 Plus at 609-410-4790. Remember, there are many ways to deal with blood pressure. At Healthy at 60 Plus we have a preferred method called nitric oxide therapy. Click the link below this video to see a great explanation of nitric oxide therapy and how it can change your life. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to this channel and remember to click the bell icon. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of these two video links.